There is a new hot penny stock on the market that analysts have some insane price targets set out for. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor. I got the clothing line to prove that fact. And today we're going to be speaking about OBSV, a Nasdaq listed penny stock. Okay, you can see they went up nearly 20% yesterday. They're up over 20% pre-market today at about $3.10 a share, and they have a market cap of 138 million. Now, OBSV is innovating women's reproductive health therapeutics. They have these three primary products. We have sphc, which has the potential to relieve symptoms of heavy menstrual bleeding due to uterine fibroids and pain associated with endometriosis. We have ivospemin, the potential to delay preterm birth to improve newborn health and reduce medical costs. This one is very exciting. And Nalazaban, the potential to improve live birth rate following IVF and embryo transfer. So three incredibly important products right off the bat. There is three analysts currently covering this, okay? Keep in mind, it's about a $3 stock right now. It's $2.50 yesterday. There's an average price tag of $22.50, a high of $28 a share, and a low of $17 a share. Only a few days ago, they released an update on sphc, one of their most important products, and only back at the start of this month, okay, they appointed a new CFO to the company. So my friends, this is the company we're going to be speaking about today. I think it's a quite exciting one. I'm going to let you guys know if I plan on buying into it. As of recording this video, I don't have any shares. If you want to know if I did buy, I always leave it in the comment section, just so that you guys are aware. But if you want to find out when I buy in real time, you got to join that Discord, baby. So my friends, right before we do get into the video, we get into the analysis, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this company. Also, let me know if there's any penny stocks you're watching right now. And please, my friend, if you are indeed new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button and join the family of investors. We just broke 75,000, baby. And if you do want to join that private Discord group I was just speaking about, you got to click that first link in the description. You get to join a community of over 1,300 investors. You get all of my buy and sell alerts in real time. We have a penny stock channel. We've made a lot of money in January. One of our calls was OEG, which is up over 200%. Our most recent call was ACER, which is up something like 25% in a couple of days. We've also played a few other ones in there, gotten a lot of 10-20% wins. It's easy money, baby. If you want some free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description, my friends. You have to sign up, deposit $100. You get 4 free stocks, 2 of which are valued up to $3,700 each. Now again, I always like to make it very clear when we speak about penny stocks, these are highly volatile, high risk stocks in general. So don't invest anything that you're not willing to lose, because these can change at a snap of a fingers. We've made a lot of really good calls in January. We've made a lot of money, but there's always potential that it can go the other way every now and again. So don't overextend, just be careful. So anyway, this company is innovating women's reproductive health therapeutics, which I think is a very, very important thing to do. And you'll see in the investor presentation why later on. For too long, women have been overlooked and undervalued. So it's no surprise that women's reproductive health has suffered a similar fate. The consequence runs deep, causing pain that isn't just physical, but emotional, mental, and financial too. And you will see that right here. Preterm birth is delivery before 37 weeks of pregnancy. It's life-altering and costly. It brings a $26 billion per year US economic burden, okay? More than 1 in 10 babies are born preterm. There was 1 million preterm related deaths in 2015, which is absolutely terrible. This truly is a very important company. Preterm birth is the leading cause of death in children under age 5. Babies surviving early birth face greater likelihood of lifelong disabilities. I mean, it's horrible stuff, my friends. It's horrible in every way, physically, emotionally, and financially. Preterm birth brings a costly burden on a per baby basis. There's over 16.9 billion US infant medical costs every year. This fact is honestly just disgusting. The average cost per US survivor infant born 24 to 26 weeks is nearly $200,000, and that just is not right. And the average US cost for a preterm infant is $50,000. There's over 15 million babies born preterm each year worldwide, and those numbers are only rising. It's genuinely horrific, and there isn't very much that can be done as of yet. And this is where these three extraordinarily necessary products come into play. So ivospemin, that's the one that has the potential to delay preterm birth to improve newborn health and reduce medical costs. They have positive phase 2 data for this as of right now, and favourable safety and support a phase 2b dose ranging study. Initiation in the EU and Asia is planned in the second half of this year. The sphc, okay, that's the potential to relieve symptoms of heavy menstrual bleeding due to uterine fibroids and pain associated with endometriosis. And this has potential best-in-class efficiency, a favourable tolerability profile, and unique flexible dosing options. And this is the one we got an update on only a matter of a few days ago, my friends. So the European Medicines Agency validated sphc, okay, MA, for uterine fibroids, planned for the first half of 2021. So the phase 3 study of SLT for treatment of endometriosis is progressing as planned, okay? Primary endpoint readout expected the end of this year, the last quarter of this year, and that is just for the Europe and the US, okay? It was discontinued in the United States. That was due to enrollment challenges, okay? No safety concerns identified. And I believe that they are the primary reasons that these analysts here have such high 12-month price targets. Because if all goes to plan this year, I'm not going to disagree with them. I could see it potentially being a 10x. Now, I do believe that these price targets are best case scenario in all honesty, okay? I don't think that it has to go that high whatsoever. I mean, I don't even think it has to be $5 or $6 by the end of the year if things don't go well. And of course, if you're looking to swing trade this, absolutely anything could happen in the short term. I mean, it's up 20% yesterday. It's up another 20% pre-market. Anything could happen. So do just make sure if you do plan on going in on this stock, know if you're swing trading it or know if you're going to be holding this one long, my friends. That's all I'm going to say to you. But when you do see the products that they're offering and the stages that they are at, there is definitely a chance they perform extraordinarily well this year, in my opinion. And then when it comes to their Nalazaban, the one that has potential to improve live birth rate following IVF and embryo transfer, that's currently pretty much just finishing up phase 1. And you can see here, that's the next milestone, is phase 1 in China the first half of this year. So this one's probably a little bit of a longer term catalyst. These are the two that you have to focus on as of right now. So one thing that ibopiprin does is it's designed to delay delivery by at least 48 hours. And short-term prolongation of pregnancy provides a critical window for impact on neonatal outcomes. It allows the patient transfer center to NICU. That's a neonatal intensive care unit, and it could make things go a whole lot smoother for everybody involved. Now you can see here they have the phase 2A prolonged study going on. One thing to notice is that the overall delivery rate within 48 hours was reduced by more than 50%, which again could be so important for the people involved. So there's already been this huge potential breakthrough, okay, of an over 50% reduction in premature delivery. It's favorable maternal, fetal and neonatal safety, and it supports advancing these guys into phase 2B, which again is one step closer to, you know, these analyst price targets coming through. Now when it comes to the uterine fibroids, okay, a significant unmet need translated into a multi-billion-dollar market yet again. $34 billion a year total US costs from direct costs, lost workdays and complications. Okay, 9 million women in the US are affected by fibroids, and 70+% of women have fibroids by age 50. It's a huge quality of life change right here, my friends. And then one more thing, that January 4th is they did just appoint a new CFO, which is always something you like to see when a company really is getting ready to grow. And the CEO says that I'm confident that David will play a key role in further strengthening our relationships with investors and potential partners as we prepare to file a new drug application in the US in the first half of 2021 for SLT, as we spoke about. So my friends, all in all, I think this company looks fantastic. And I really, really want them to do well. The quality of life change that could come from these guys is immense. Now, of course, whenever I see a company run up this quickly, even if it's a penny stock over the span of a couple of days, of course, there's going to be alarm bells ringing, let's be honest. Pre-market's up another 25%. I think there's going to be some volatility going into next week. If I do show you the 6-month chart, even after that run up, they're still down 15%. They've been on a very constant downtrend. And if I show you that max stock chart, it doesn't look very nice either. Is now the time they're going to turn things around? Potentially. They're taking action to do so at least. But my friends, that was my video on this company. I really do think they have quite a lot of long-term potential. Similarly to what I saw in OEG, I do think these guys could have a very good year if they execute and if everything goes very well. That's always the big thing with these penny stocks. It's always big ifs. But if things go well, I think it's going to offer a huge opportunity, even at current prices, after the run-up that's happened. Anyway, my friends, that was my video on this company. If you watched all the way till the end, you are a true legend, and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. If you did enjoy the video, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button, drop me a comment down below, and please, my friend, subscribe if you're new around here. If you are interested in joining that private Discord group, that's the first link in the description, my friends. Access to all of my buy and sell alerts. You get that penny stock channel. You'll find out if I buy these before the video goes live. So much juicy information. We don't just eat bread, we eat baguettes, baby. If you want those free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description, my friends. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you for another video very soon. Peace.